All right, so as you can see from the video, this particular head here in the corner was not really spraying. So usually the common problem there with that is that as the filter screen is clogged up. So I'm going to show you what kind of tools you need to fix it and how to fix it. So here we go. We have just a little screwdriver. This is a Rainbird version screwdriver, but any screwdriver will work. You just want to get underneath here so you can pull this up, pull it up. And then we'll use a clamp to clamp it. These are some Rainbird spring pliers that you can use. You can use vice grips too. Just don't clamp them too tight because you'll break it. So this is the head, this is the shaft. So the filter is inside here. So what we want to do is basically just unscrew this and pull it out. And you can see how clogged up that little filter is. So we're gonna snap it off. A little spring action in there, but you can see it's pretty clogged up inside. Just kind of swish it around in there, get everything out of it. We'll clean our head off too. Make sure we don't have any dirt or debris in there. Snap it back together. Tighten it back up. We'll let it down and then we'll test it out.